his feathers glowing brighter than Venus and Mars. Milky Way streets, he calls his own tracks. He rules all of space with wings on his back. Stephen the seagull, king of the void. Planets and comets they can't avoid. Galaxy bound with a smile so wide. In the Milky Way he'll always reside. He dives through orbits and swims through black holes, grabbing the cosmos like they're buttered rolls. Jupiter looks as he winks and spins, a bird in the stars where the fun begins. Light years bow down to the aerial king. Saturn's rings hum as the nebula sing. Female vocals whisper a galactic cheer. Stephen the seagull, he's the boss here. Meteor showers make trails for his walk.